As a student exchange program began, a girl named Maya noticed that the new students had peculiar behaviors and displayed advanced knowledge. She suspected they might be aliens in disguise. Maya uncovered that the exchange students were part of an alien reconnaissance mission, studying Earth's inhabitants. She had to convince her skeptical friends before the aliens' true intentions endangered the entire school. A talented sculptor stumbled upon a unique shimmering slime that responded to touch by reshaping itself into intricate forms. Thrilled by this discovery, the sculptor began crafting lifelike statues that amazed the world. However, as the slime sculptures multiplied, they started absorbing the souls of those who admired them, leaving behind lifeless husks. The artist's creations turned out to be cursed conduits for malevolent energy,